So what did we get? First day at the event itself. Ta-ta-ta.
It's the hormonal balance stuff.
Oh, it's for your eyes, no?
No baggage eye serum. Cooling eye serum. Okay. I want to speak with them tomorrow. It's also for your lips and stuff. This is the quantum subscription. This is what you found on the floor. Better blood flow. Begins test. So it's the test for your better blood flow. Then we get Smile High Club.
Ooh, nice.
No idea what should I do with it.
Are you looking for some oral satisfaction?
Oh yeah, always. Nice. This is competition of my brother. The future is packed. 5-minute journal.
I saw that stand.
Nice.
Interesting.
We get a whole journal, like, okay. Interesting. But I think it's the similar journal you have from me. Alkane butter. Good pads. Used for drink, dressing, supplement, creamy. From there was the brochure about it.
Show me.
I think that it's for cooking. We are on a mission to make health enter super safe.
Okay.
We'll study that. Super teeth.
Doo-doo-doo. Beautiful teeth.
Yeah. Probiotic mineral toothpaste. Magnesium all spray. What does it do? Ideally spray after a shower or bath, aiding better absorption as the pores are open. Apply 5 to 20 sprays directly on your skin. This is a truly luxurious magnesium spray made from magnesium chloride. It absorbs quickly into the skin, where it's capable of deeply penetrating muscle tissues and replenishing the body's magnesium levels. Okay.
Nice.
Cool. Harness the power of Japan's best kept longevity secret and fasting mimetic gluten-free spearmint supplement. Nice. The Governor Premium Extra Virgin
olive oil.
Yeah. Apparently it's the first health olive oil. Cool. Yeah, this is the brochure for it. Oh, some romantic letter.
Which guy have you been talking to now?
London and Nootropics. Zen Flow Major. Interesting. Are you ready to kick the addiction?
What
Have
addiction?
you lost control over your craving for sugar? Why it's not for chips? Feel younger, look younger, think younger. Slowing down your pace of aging is now possible with Novocus Core, the first and most validated formula to target the 12 root causes of aging. Interesting.
Ooh, there's something
Improves
inside.
skin, protects the DNA. Yes, it's for trial. Cocoa Raspberry Delight, a taste of longevity crafted for health enthusiasts. Dark chocolate. Then some promotions. Again, this I have like so many of these guys. Then we have blue matcha. I have actually tried these.
And
It's just matcha. It's actually like it was like iced tea, but not really satisfying for me because I think that they put inside like maple syrup and stuff. I prefer clean stuff. Susie Who. Correct cell ball chlorella, menopause support. Is it a cream? No, it's a supplement. Spermidine. 10% off of it. You have 10% off for your clothes. What do you want to try after? Whole food spermidine. It was here the brochure for it. 100% chlorella. We have chlorella at home. Blue matcha. So like we can do it at home. The thing. And I think that these are some other offers. Red engineer. And again one more, I guess. Yeah.
Nice. Good job.